Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an easy everyday makeup look. Now, I'm going to first start with the face. Normally I go in with the eyes first, but this particular look, you can start with the face first. So I'm going to take and oh, by the way, I already prepped the skin. I just did my skincare routine maybe 5 minutes before filming. So now I'm going to go into my foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. I have the shade 110. And what I like to do is I actually like to take my brush here and just kind of, actually let's do it like this. I'm going to do it like this. And I'm going to take my uneasy Beauty over face brush to blend this in. Okay, next I'm going to spray my face with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Mist. What I've been loving to do right after I spray the face is use my Beauty Blender puff and just press this in. I'm going to take my Jaffa Creamy Concealer in Light and apply this underneath the eyes and also any blemishes. I'm actually going to use a brush to blend this in. I'm going in and spray this and spray again. And this time I just let it kind of dry. Okay, now I'm going to go into contouring. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. And this time I'm actually going to try, using a brush. So I'm going to take the Morphe L'Oreal brush number A58, and I'm just going to get some of this on the brush and just start kind of stippling this in. Oh, that might have been too much. Yeah, slightly too much. And then with the applicator itself, I actually have to kind of get some of this off. I'm just going to get some of this off on the back of my hand because it kind of squeezed out too much. I'm going to contour the nose. And then I'm going to take a different concealer. This is the ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in Fair to highlight the high points of the face. Oh, I forgot to put some contour under the bottom lip. I'm going to take the uneasy Beauty angled concealer brush to blend in the concealer. Okay, when doing this look for the past few days, I realized that for blending in the concealer on the nose, I like to use my finger to blend it in. And then also I use a different cleaner brush to blend in the nose contour. Okay, next I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush. This one is in Bazilla. I have no idea. I'm going to take the Morphe L'Oreal brush number A22 and apply this to the cheeks. Okay, to set everything, I'm going to take first the Rare Beauty setting powder in Light. I'm going to use the Morphe L'Oreal brush number A14 to set the under eye area and the T-zone. to add a little bit of powdered bronzer. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Bronzer. Just warm up the face just a little bit. And I do kind of like to now keep the outsides of the face relatively glowy, so I don't put any powder. I don't set the outside of the face. For eye primer, as always, I'm going to use the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so there are days where I want to wear a highlight, and there are other days where I don't. But this is like one of my favorite highlighters that I love to use. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. I actually don't think I'm going to wear it today, but this is the highlighter that I really go to more when doing this look. We are going to use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in Tan Lines on the entire lid. I'm going to take the shiny brush from the 32 brush set. The number rubbed off, so I don't know what number it is, but I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and just apply this to the entire eyelid. And I'm just going to take my finger just to kind of blend this in. My nose is itchy again. Oh my goodness, what is it? So the past few times I've done my makeup, my nose has been getting super itchy, so like, I don't know what it is. I think it might be the contour wand now. I don't know. Okay, anyway, now I'm going to take my ColourPop and Naruto Cream Gel Liner, the BFF Cream Gel Liner. This one is in Ninja Way. I'm just going to line a lash line with this. I'm going to do a very, very thin line. I'm going to use my finger to blend. Now I'm going to take my Echo Tools liner smudger brush, and I'm going to use the ColourPop and ColourPop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. And we're going to take the color, let's do Palm Reader. I'm going to take the color Palm Reader and apply this to the inner corner. Okay, off camera really quick, I'm going to apply mascara and lashes. Okay, so I didn't apply mascara on the bottom lashes, but I'm going to do it right now. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Matte Sensational Mascara, this one is in Black is Black, and apply mascara to the bottom lashes. So I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. This is like my favorite color. It's so pretty. I'm going to overline the lips just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my finger and blend it in. Then I'm going to take a lip gloss. This is actually Lip Plumper. This is from Jaffa. This is the Jaffa Plumping Lip Jelly. Then I'm going to use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And last step, I'm going to spray my ColourPop No Filter Setting Mist. Now it's time for the bubble verse of the day. This one is Isaiah 41:13. For I, the Lord, your God, hold in right hand. It is I who say to you, fear not, I am the one who helps you. And again, that was Isaiah 41:13. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!